Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one, after a whole lot of excitement, is starting to drift into oblivion. I'm not saying the chart is destroyed, but my oblivion part comes into play. I mean, you look at the monster volume here, and then much less volume, and then even harder to see volume. And volume is very, very important because especially in this price range of stocks, traders get distracted easily. Traders, get bored, and then they go start to chase other stocks that are getting more volume. So you don't want to see volume remain too low for too long, because even if nothing really changes as far as the company or anything like that, people just get bored, and they in order to move on, they need to sell. And that can create just that much more drifting to the downside. But from an overall charting perspective, yeah, the volume's not exactly the best situation. Again, just because volume drops off for a couple of days doesn't mean that it's, the party's over. But a level I would definitely consider as very, very important is right here around this level here at the 28-cent mark, which if you go back to the history of the chart, you can see has behaved in a very important manner. Acted as support there. You go back to late afternoon on Wednesday, and then a whole bunch of times today on Thursday, the price hovered right around that area. And, the reason why I would say that's important, because if that level does not quite hold up, then really next level of support, not until down here around this previous breakout point at 25 cents, which puts the price almost right back to where it set, or where it all started. Now, not exactly, but I mean, hopefully we can all agree when price movements go almost back to where the big breakout started, that's not really a good sign of power or strength or anything like that. But to be fair, 28 cents has held strong, so you certainly want to see that continue moving forward. In terms of areas of resistance, main level to watch in the near term, if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, going to be right there at 34 cents. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, yeah, things are looking a little shaky right now, but we'll see how things close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.